Stone Edge Products by Techo-Bloc brings you Röcka Step, a precast unit, 4 foot long, 6 inches tall. It's IRC compliant, 15 inches deep. Again, IRC compliant in terms of tread depth. That's the International Residential Code. But how do I set these units to avoid scour at the toe? How do I get my embedment? Little trick of the trade. Using a precast concrete lintel, a concrete unit with 2 pieces of steel reinforcement through the center that can be set 3 inches tall, the same 15 inches deep. We can set this, adhere our Röcka to it so we can maintain our embedment and build monolithically. Good?
Yeah.
Bring it in. Okay, slow, slow. Take it down. Okay, up. Get me a Röcka unit. I'm building a set of Röcka steps here leading up to the front door. We're relocating the steps from where they were, a little too close to the house, out here into the yard, a little more welcoming. I've compacted my subgrade using a high centrifugal force rated vibratory plate. I've installed a high quality woven geotextile fabric, compacted my base of 57 stones, and just set my steel reinforced concrete lintel. This unit has a little bit of pitch forward so I can shed water off my steps, and it's level side to side. I'm ready next. A little bit of adhesive, I can set my Röcka and start backfilling. Bring it in. Line it up with the face. To you. Back a little. Bring it back. Use your muscle. Okay. Grab me another lintel. This is a great opportunity to see a cross-section design of a set of steps. I have compacted subgrade, woven geotextile fabric, 3/4 inch angular stone compacted, my lintel, my Röcka. Behind this unit, I'll backfill with clean stone and compact it, set my next lintel flush with the top of this Röcka unit, set my next. Let's go. Got my next lintel set. It's flush with my Röcka unit. I'm embedding this unit. I'm going to set my next Röcka on top with about 1.25 inches overhang on this unit so that I have a monolithic step construction. One thing you want to make sure that you do in step building is use some biaxial grid to help stabilize this aggregate. It's 95% compacted when dumped. We compacted it, but that grid's a great piece of insurance. Let's get it down into that seam. All right, that'll help hold it. Spike that corner down, good job. Let me work this in here. hold on, hold on. All right, I'm good. Okay. There are two types of grid, uniaxial and biaxial. A biaxial grid has strength in both directions. That's what I'd want to use in a raised patio or a step construction, and that's the material I've got here. Let me put my adhesive in. I want to step on that, keep it tensioned. Okay, let's get our next Röcka step set. Okay, slow, slow, slow. Bob, we got to be 1.25 inches forward. 1.25 inches. Up, forward, curl up. Okay, hold on, hold on. Down slow. Hold on, hold on. I'm 1.25 inches. What do you got?
1.25 inches.
Perfect. Okay, take her down. Up. Get me another Lentil. This is a great cross-section view of a set of steps. Lentil, Röcka. Lentil, grid stabilized, Röcka, 1.25 inch overhang. Using concrete nail pins and line collars help me establish my rise and run calculation for the step construction. These lines allow me to snap that string in and out, pull it out, and I can put it right back when I need to. So I can construct and I can put my line back up to make sure I'm maintaining my rise and run. Having the right tool for the right job is also a big help.